So here we have the StarLink Mini roof mount. So this is traditionally designed to be used to mount on a sloped roof or flat roof, and the angle is set to match the angle of the roof to get you vertical, but it can be used in many other ways. You can use it on a vehicle, you could use it on campers, you can use it on a side mount if you don't have an overhang. And when it comes, this piece is detached, and that's in the box there, and that snaps in, and once you get that put in there, it stays. It'd be pretty hard to get it out. You'd have to have a couple screwdrivers to pry the tabs up, but it will connect into the lower piece that has a thumb screw, and that thumb screw actually inside there clamps down on the upper part of the tube, and it has grooves to lock it, so it does lock into place, and that fits in there real nice and tight. Comes with an accessories. You get an accessory box, and in the accessory box you have two big large lag bolts. You've got sealant to put around the edges to help seal it up. I'd use some silicone on it as well. Run your screws in a bit, pull it back, put some silicone in, and then it comes with a bunch of cables, clamps that you can screw on to neaten your cable up as you run it down, intended for a house. The mount on it snaps into the back, and it does allow the cable to be brought in through the bottom of the upper tube. You can bring it in, pull it up through, bring it out, and then plug it into the unit. You can get both your cables to fit through there. It's got a lot of flexibility to it, and we've used these on the standards. It's a pretty similar, a little bit different size. So you can loosen that up and get this adjusted for whatever angle. And that can be mounted on the roof of an RV, and you can remove the antenna during transport or off season and leave this on, flip that down. Works quite well, and it is well made and worth the investment. One of those things that I would get to have in your toolbox. You never know, because it gives you a lot of versatility if you need to mount it somewhere in a unique location. The mount could be used on a vehicle. It can be mounted either to a roof rack or directly onto the vehicle. Allows for easy attachment and removal. All you have to do is loosen the lower thumb screw. The upper pipe slides up, and you can remove it with relative ease and move it to another location. If you have another bracket, same style, you can mount it onto a house or other vehicles as needed. All in all, the mount is very flexible and a great addition to the toolbox for many different applications. Thank you very much for watching. Please click that like button if you do. If you can subscribe, we'd appreciate that. And hit the notifications if you'd like to be notified of future upcoming videos. Thank you. Be safe and press on.